like a flood. The Spirit of the Lord will lift up a standard against him. It is in the flood dimension. When the enemy comes in, no weapon formed against you. The weapon can be formed, but it shall not prosper. When the enemy raises its standard, when it comes in, say with me, like a flood, the Lord will raise a standard. What does he mean by standard? I will raise the standard of a people against the enemy. I'll raise the standard of your finances, the standard of your health, the standard of your anointing, standard of every facet of your life. Like a flood. Say with me, like a flood. The Spirit of the Lord is upon me. Say with me, like a flood. He will come in with a breakthrough. The Lord of breaks